Hello friends, so this is the long-term user review of Samsung Level U2. As you can see, the price quoted on the box is 3000. Now Flipkart price on the current time is 2199, but when I bought this, the price on the Flipkart was 2000 rupees, and I also get the additional discount while paying from phone pay and other cash discount also, so I got it for the very less price. I also make this unboxing video, so you can just check it out. I'll leave the link of that video in the description. So let's just take it out. When we take it out, it just comes in this kind of plastic packing, which is very nice. If you like, you can't wear it all the time and you want to keep it safe, so you can just keep that also to just keep it safe. So just not talk about the box content, just take it out, because in the box you can just get this, and it comes with type port C. Let me just show you. It comes with type C port, but you should have a type C wire at your home to charge it, because Samsung does not give any charging cable with this particular earphone. It can just give you earphones, extra ear tips, and just earphone, nothing else Samsung will provide you. So you should have a type C cable at your home, or you have to just buy it. So just talk about this plastic quality. It is like battery plastic quality is pretty well. As you can see here, it's named Samsung Level, but it is Samsung Level U2, as you can see the box. And you should go for the Samsung Level U2, not for the Samsung Level U, because this is the upgraded version of that earphone. And if you want to buy like non-Chinese brand earphone with non-Chinese brand TWS earphone or neckband, you can just go for the Samsung, not Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, or any other company. It provides rubber and plastic built, as you can see that this is the rubber, but inside it is plastic. And these ear tips are pretty good. It can be fit to any ear size. Here is the branding of the Samsung. And let me just sum up the build quality. Build quality is quite good. Even the parts where the rubber and plastic material is joined, it is pretty well. Here is its serial number and all that information. It comes with the 4 buttons. So let me just explain you this is for the power button, and the LED of this earphone is situated here, so you can't. So when you wear the earphone, or you have to just press it for the 5 seconds, it will be turn on. Then you will have to go to your phone Bluetooth, and you will see the Samsung Level U2. You can just pair it. This is the power button, as you can see, volume up, volume down key, and this is for Google Assistant or app Siri, or to just take or cut call. If you press this twice, it will jump to the next song. If you press it twice, it will go to the back song. If you press it once, it will stop the song. If you press it again, you will go to the song. And here is the watch which I wear, Amazfit GTS2 mini. I will leave the link of the review of this watch. You can just check it out. And here is also the Iron power bank which I got at a great deal. So I will make the user review of this particular product soon, so just check it out. I will leave the link of the video of its unboxing in the description, so you can just check it out. So let's just come on our main product. The base quality of this earphone is pretty good. If you are like who don't like so much of bass, then it is very good quality for you. It provides great amount of bass, but it does not provide you the better quality, like so much bass it does not provide. It comes with, I think, 1 mic, but yeah, its mic work pretty well. Even you are in the road or walking or whatever you are doing, the other person can hear your voice pretty well. It does not have any like Bluetooth issues with your phone. Once it is connected, it is good. Let us just talk about its battery. The battery on this particular product is pretty well, as if you use this, If you are a moderate user, you just use it like normal calls, or sometimes you watch a YouTube video, you can use this product for the 2 days for 100% charge. If you are the person who play games, talk every full day, you are like having calls and playing games, then it can last you 1 day complete. And if you are like very lower user than the moderate user, then you can just then it can last you up to 2.5 days or 3 days also, because its battery is quite good. And you have to just turn on, you have to press it for the 5 seconds, and to turn it off, you have to just press it for the 5 seconds. So this is a user long-term review. If you are looking for the earphone which does not comes from any Chinese brand, which comes from the very renowned brand, then you should go for this earphone. And I will leave the links of the video of Urban Power Bank, Amazfit GTS2 Mini, and the unboxing of this particular product. Thanks for watching.